Hello and welcome. You're about to experience your future secure Flask login template, a powerful, production-ready starting point for your next secure web application. After purchasing and downloading the template, you'll simply run it using Flask app.py debug run. This launches a secure development server with an interactive debugger. Open the provided link in your browser. I'll be using Safari for this demonstration. You're first greeted by a clean, black and gold themed login page, designed with both aesthetics and clarity in mind. From here, you can either log in, register, or reset your password securely. Let's walk through registration. Fill in your credentials, username, email, and password. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted with a verification alert. This is an essential security feature that ensures only verified users gain access. Check your email to verify your account. This activates your account and redirects. In your inbox, click the secure tokenized link. You're back to the login screen with a confirmation flash. Now, welcome to your secure newsfeed. Here, users can post messages and upload images, much like traditional social media platforms, while the backend ensures safe handling of user data and file uploads. Navigate to your profile to see your post history neatly documented. Want to update your info? Head to the Edit Profile section where you can change your username, email, upload a new profile picture. And even assign roles like admin or user. Forgot your password? No worries. Click the Forgot Password link to securely send a password reset email. After clicking the reset link in your inbox, you'll be taken to a form to enter a new password. Submit it, and you're back in business. This template is not just about functionality. It's built with real-world security practices, clean modular code, and production-ready features to accelerate your next project. Whether you're building a startup MVP, a client project, or a secure internal dashboard, this template gets you there faster and safer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited.